Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt, and this phone right in front of me is called the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 phone. If you guys want to check it out, links down below, and big thanks to Xiaomi for sponsoring this video. Here we go. The Pocophone, it's brand new this year. It's got a unique name. It's actually called the Pocophone F1, and this is the global version. So this is actually going to be a phone. It's more budget friendly, but the good news is for 430 bucks, that's the most expensive one, you're going to get the Armoured Edition. So I'm super digging the yellow. Yellow and blue are my favorite colors, so I'm pumped here. Let's check out, see what we get. Oh, wait, what? User manual and a case. I like that. As a freebie, getting a free case, you can't complain. No one's complaining about that. And then this right here is the Pocophone F1 Armoured Edition. And you're seeing what I'm seeing right now for the first time. There's carbon fiber on the back. And I don't know about you guys, seriously, let me know in the comments how you feel about it, but this thing looks mad sexy. All right, then of course, it couldn't be a phone without a power brick and a USB-C cable. Basic, it works, it charges. Oh sweet, so this thing's running Oreo 8.1. Dang, I almost kind of like the MIUI. I checked out another Xiaomi phone like last year. I love that thing. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. You guys have probably seen it. It feels amazing. Having a 6-inch bezel-less display, like the only real bezel on here is at the bottom. Oh, of course, we gotta just test out the gaming. So there's liquid cool tech in here, which is supposed to keep the phone completely cool while you're gaming, using it. It's never gonna get hot. So I'm gonna put that to the test, and I wanna start off by playing PUBG. You know, it's the game that I'm good at. I'm still trying to get better at Fortnite, but on mobile, I actually get kills, and I wanna see how hot this thing gets. And to test it, I got a laser thermometer. So I'm gonna heat this thing up, get some chicken dinners, and then we're gonna measure it. Hopefully this chicken dinner is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to make contact where I'm guessing the CPU and GPU are probably in the middle somewhere. Let's just hit that right in the center. And you guys can see the phone's temperature right now is 81.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So keep that in mind. Let's try this out. Man, dude, it looks really good. Colors, I mean, you guys be the judge of it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this. It looks accurate. It doesn't look overblown, oversaturated. It just looks good. All right, we're gonna play classic. I don't want a squad. I wanna be solo. I mean, I've checked out a lot of phones and I play PUBG a lot. So it's the only one I can actually win at. It looks good. Nothing's lagging. I can't tell any distortion, any stuttering. I'm just running to the house. I'm at full sprint. I can see everything. Things are just loading up now in the distance. No! I said I was good.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Oh yeah, we got him, he's down. And with that liquid cooling technology on the back here, I know my hands are getting a little sweaty, I'm getting pumped. The phone stays completely cool. My hands just naturally sweat, that's kind of who I am. But the phone isn't getting hot. And I'm kind of shocked, because usually with PUBG on any phone, it gets hot, it starts to work the graphics card, the CPU. So I'm almost like 10 minutes in, the Adreno 630 and the Snapdragon 845. I don't know what they're doing, but I'm not having a problem. No lag, I can hear everything. I think I'm coming up on my second enemy. So if I get the kill, you know it's good. And I hope I do, because I should have died. I shouldn't even be around right now. The first guy just sucked. So here we go, after playing around like 10 minutes of PUBG, getting one kill, let's see how hot this thing is. And I know my hands were touching it and they're sweating, so you know that, I know that. This thing's like 30 degrees hotter, you know something's up, but I don't think it will be. It's pretty cool. So like 87 degrees, so of course the phone gets a little warm. I can't feel it though. I don't know if the liquid cool technology is just working perfectly, but no joke, I could not feel the phone getting hot. Maybe I gotta play some more PUBG, but after 10 minutes, phone's staying cool. So the phone that I got here goes for 430 bucks. So let me tell you what specs this thing's rocking. 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, an Adreno 630 GPU. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So basically this should get you all day, but your day might be a little different than mine. I'm a power user and I can tell you I can't burn through 4,000 milliamp hours. And this phone it really feels kind of comfy. Not too heavy, not too light. It just feels sturdy. So on the back, you kind of are seeing what I'm seeing, and I like this, and I know you do too. You see these red accent marks just on the lenses here? So on the back is a 12 megapixel dual autofocus lens with an AI dual camera. I wanna test that out. I wanna see what that's really about. It looks good. I like these red accent marks, and I wish more companies did this because it looks so dope. It's gonna be high quality. You're gonna be able to take your selfies. We're gonna test that out. So on the front of this phone, it's got a pretty big display. It doesn't feel too huge in my hands. It's a manageable size where I feel large and in charge, but I don't have a brick I'm carrying around. The 1080p panel, so I'm guessing it's gonna look pretty sharp. I don't even know how to feel about it. I'm way more surprised than I was expecting. Seeing this thing online and in photos leak, I showed you guys on Twitter, I didn't think it would feel this good. So on the front is a 6.1 inch display. It's a 1080p display, so I really wanna see how that looks in colors. I'm pumped. On the bottom, we got dual speakers, USB-C to charge it. On the side, looks like there's some dedicated button there. I don't know if that's like a voice assistant or just a camera shutter. Check that out. Volume buttons, how clicky are these? Pretty clicky. So as you guys can probably tell already, there's a notch. And to be totally honest, it's not a notch that I hate. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's a little large, but you have your speaker at the top, cameras, you're set. I mean, the screen is what's drawing my attention right now. It looks really good. Colors look super crisp, app icons look crisp. Everything just looks good. Like, no pixelation, no distortion. It just looks good. And as you guys probably know, there's a few other options of this. So if you don't want to get the Armoured one, the flagship one, that starts at around like 400 bucks, 8 gigs of RAM still, 256 gigs of storage. So either you like this or you don't, but I think you're gonna. If you're doing more than just gaming, you're watching videos, I kinda wanna check that out next. Let's pull up YouTube, let's fire up a TechSmartt video and see how good it looks. It looks really good. Colors, I mean, you guys be the judge. You let me know in the comments and vote up there in the iCard if you guys like the F1 or if you don't. It's a pretty good price for what you get. Like, I am so shocked. I didn't even think videos were gonna load. I think it'd be a little laggy. It's been perfect, no lag. It looks true to color like you find in a laptop or a desktop. Videos look good, audio sounds good. Let's check out this camera. I mean, really, this phone's a banger. 12 megapixel on the back, 5 megapixel here, and then 20 on the front. Ooh, so very easy UI here. You know what you want to get into, whether it's a square photo, a portrait, a video, a short video. What's a short video? How long is a short video? Okay, let's try this out. So I'm testing out this, oh wait, what? A short video is like 10 seconds. So what you could do is you could actually upload this to like Snapchat or Instagram stories, whatever you want to do. So the front-facing camera, it looks pretty good. Video looks good on the phone. Sharpness is down, so things kind of seem a little bit more smoothed out. I like that. But now I want to test out the back camera because this could be a game changer. The front looks good, but I want to see the back. And there's image stabilization on the F1. Here's some video. So I will say it almost looks a little edited. Can I even tell? So this is low sharps, high sharpness, just trying to see the detail. Starting to grow a beard. Never knew that would happen, right? And then low sharpness, you can see there's just more smoothed edges out on my face. Yeah, it's a little spicy in here. You can tell things are getting hot. I think I'm gonna keep low sharpness on. It just looks a little more natural. The edges look a little bit more smoothed out. Maybe medium, but you can change it. All right, now let's check out the back cameras. You know the red accents. You can see there's a camera on here. They're accenting it. I wanna see if you can change the settings on the rear camera like you can on the front. I'm guessing you can. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you actually have an included beauty mode on the back, group selfie, settings, you can tweak everything, sharpness, saturation, contrast. You can really customize this to get the exact shot you want. Hey, yo, Josh, we're going to a museum later today. I got my first work of art. So the Pocophone F1, probably the most surprising phone I have honestly checked out in 2018. For 430 bucks, you can get the Armoured Edition, the carbon fiber, the 12 megapixel, the 5 megapixel camera, 6.1 inch screen, 1080p resolution, specs galore, 630 GPU, octa-core 845 Snapdragon, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, so you're gonna be set all day. And of course it comes with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So this thing's gonna charge up fast, it's gonna be fast, it's gonna stay cool with the liquid cool tech. I'm not joking, I tested this out. I would tell you if there was something I didn't like. You guys know that about me, and there's not one thing. I guess the only thing is, I wish it came in like a red, because red carbon, boom. So if you want to check out the Pocophone F1, links in the description. That's going to do it for this video. If you guys like this phone, make sure to drop a like on it and hit subscribe just by clicking that circle button right down here. Check out 2 of the videos right over here to my left, or my right, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.